In this video, we're going to take a look at multiples. So the first question is, what is the multiple of a number? So the multiples of a number are the values that are found in that number's times table. So for example here, let's say we want the first 5 multiples of 6. Okay. In other words, what we need here are the first 5 numbers in the 6 times table. So that would begin with 6. Next one would be 12. Next one would be 18. Next one would be 24. And then finally, we'd have 30. Okay, that would be the first 5 multiples of 6. Let's say we want the first 5 multiples of 20. Again, it's just going to be your 20 times table. So obviously, your 20 times table isn't something that you kind of learn as you're growing up and you're studying maths. But the idea is here that we just go through 20 times 1, 20 times 2, 20 times 3, and so on. So it'd be 20 times 1, which is 20. Next one here would be 20 times 2, which is 40. Next one here would be 20 times 3, which is 60. Obviously, we'd just keep going here. So 20 times 4 is 80. And then finally, we'd have 100 there. Okay? And there we have it. So that's all we need there for our introduction to multiples. So what we're going to do now is take a look at some practice questions for multiples. So if we start off with question 1 here, we're asked to list the first 5 multiples of 10. If we just think about our definition here for the multiples of a number, well, in this case, we're just looking for the first 5 numbers in the 10 times table. So hopefully nice and straightforward. What I'm going to get here is 10, 20, 30, 40, and then finally we'll get 50 there. Okay, so like we said, it's going to be 10 times 1, 10 times 2, 10 times 3, 10 times 4, and finally 10 times 5. Okay, in other words, just the first 5 numbers there in the 10 times table. That gives us the first 5 multiples of 10, giving us the solution to question 1. And to finish with here, let's take a look at one more question. So we're asked to list the first 5 multiples of 8. So again, just using our definition here for the multiple of a number, we just now need to find the first 5 numbers in the 8 times table. My first number here would be 8. My next number here would be 16. Next one here would be 24. Then we'd get 32. And finally, we'd get 40. Okay, that will give us the first 5 multiples there of 8. In other words, just the first 5 numbers in the 8 times table. And there we have it. So that gives us the solution there to question 2. And that brings us to the end of this video on multiples. In the next video, we're going to take a look at prime numbers.